All right, we're on the visual markers challenge, and what I'd like you to do is simply clean up some of these visual marking sort of comments to the best of your ability. I can really tell you how or what to do in terms of the instructions. So it should be pretty clear. It's a very similar example to what we demonstrated earlier. So go ahead, pause the screencast, and see if you can solve it. Were you able to? If not, not a huge deal. Um, a lot of this is simply removing things that we don't need, like the dependency visual marker or a marker that says properties, right? Our properties in our classes should by convention go to the top of the class. Also, to do. Ugh, no to dos. As far as these pet class and dog class markers, go and create a new file. We'll go ahead and create a new file. We'll call it dog.class.js, and then go ahead and move this over to our dog class, Command V, and then jump back down to our here, and we can eliminate these comments. Eliminate a lot of comments that weren't providing a lot of value, and if anything, were something additional we'd have to keep up to date. And there's a lot of great tools to keep our code organized, and comments aren't a great one. So clean up those visual markers as you go. Let's go ahead and move on.